Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Thursday, September 30th, 2021. We closed the month of September with a high volatility in the final days of trading. The S&P 500 managed to outgain for the quarter. According to the stock market, September is the worst month of the year. So after Thursday, the market put the S&P 500 were down just under 5% for the month, making it the worst month performance since March 2020 and erasing the gain for the progress it made in July and August. So the S&P 500, they end up the quarter up just only 0.23%, while the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones Industrial Average, they were down about minus 0.38% and minus 0.19% respectively. And the Treasury yield it continued to rise. That put down all of the technology, FANGMAN, and the semiconductor stock. So after declining throughout the month of September, the 10-year Treasury note, they already moved up on the final day of the September. That caused the interest rate to increase, and that create a lot of problem on the technology stock. So usually we step in for the month of October. Historically, the people they have a reason to hope that October may offer a more constructive environment than September, even though in the past we have a two big one day decline that included the Black Monday on 1987 as well as the Black Tuesday on 1929. It also happened in October. So now let's take a look on the indices to see where we are at right now. So if you look at the S&P 500, we are continue to put it down to the downside, very similar to September last year here. So where they're going to find the support. So right now we are added to 5% correction. So the market is still continue to drop down, but we have a strong level of support at this level here. If the market be able to hold up at this level here, we were looking for some kind of rebound. If it continues to drop below here, we can get back to 10% correction, which is down about 4,000 area here. But hopefully that they will be able to stabilize here, and we're looking for some kind of rebound to the upside. Okay, and if you look at the Nasdaq, it also turning south. So right now they're in the strong level of support here. Let's see if they'll be able to hold up here. If they continue to drop, then that they will can go further to get to the support here. But hopefully they will find something similar to last year, stabilize and find a way to push it back up also. Even though the trend a little bit negative, we hear more bad news than the good news right now. So let's see how market react, and then we will inform you. The Dow it also continue to put to the downside. So this is a strong level of support for the Dow. Okay, so they still have room to put a little bit more, and let's see how they react at this level here. Look at the Russell 2000. It still ran by between the top and the bottom here. So we have a strong support here, a strong resistance here. So they still dancing around in this area here. Okay, and if you look at the crude oil, you see that the commodity is in trouble, but except the crude oil still continue to put it up to the upside. It try to test the high here, but right now the momentum is still hang there to the upside, as you can see there. Because as long as the interest rate going up, okay, the bank stock and the crude oil stock will get some benefit from there. If you look at the commodity, it's like gold price, it fall off for the last couple of weeks here. They try to put it back up, but the trend is still down there. As well as the silver, you can see that they continue to drop to the downside. Okay. If you look at the Bitcoin is still hang tight at the buy zone here. If they can clear that area here, the momentum, it can shift it up to the upside as well as the Ethereum also. Okay, so right now we look at all the 11 sector of the S&P 500 that are still heading south. Basically, XLB, okay, XLC, they have some support here. The energy stock have been doing well. They are pushing back up, but they have some resistance here. They need to pull back a little bit before they can go higher. But the financial sector, they are pretty strong, but they cannot punch to the resistance here, so they still pull back down right now too. But a lot of bank stocks still hang tight to the upside for the last quarter of the year here. The industrial, that's the worst performance. They are continue to break down below this one here and continue to heading south until the infrastructure bill completely done, and those stocks will be able to stabilize and find a way up again. The technology stock still continue to put it back down. We're looking for the support here. Okay, if they want can support, the Nasdaq can turn around. The consumer stable, it also fell up the cliff here. Okay, if they fail here, they will continue to push it down. Raising the interest rate also cause problem for the real estate sector also. They have been coming down since the yield continue to go up. The utility is also going down. The XLV, which is the healthcare, is also coming down for the last couple of weeks here. Okay, XLY is another one that still hang tight, but they have some support at that level there. So if you look at a lot of strong stock like Apple, they have a pull back down, so they have some support there. Google, so all those stocks, they all pull back down. So this is not a time for you to put more money, but you should save some cash there. When the market stabilizes, they will give you a lot of a good opportunity to buy those strong stocks back to the upside again. Okay, so if you look at a lot of oil stock, they still put it up, they fell here, they come back down, but some of them are still very strong and hold up to the upside, like Continental Resort, right? Canadian Resort, they're still doing well. Okay, D1 Energy. So though energy is still hang very tight to the upside, FANG it also try to clear up the resistance right there. Okay, so the healthcare sector is still like Moderna, they still up and down, but momentum is getting into negative right now. The bank stock, some stock is still very strong, like Bank of America. They hit here, they fell to record higher, so they pull back a little bit. But the overall trend is still kind of bullish. Okay, and the semiconductor also get hit very well. You see a lot of stock, they couldn't make it high. They going down, but some of them they're doing well today, like AMD. They were able to hold the support here. They're looking for the rebound. Nvidia is another strong one. They have a support here. Let's see if they're able to pull up, okay, in the next couple of days here. All right, so I think right now the market is still in correction. So we will continue to monitor to see that the level of support. So see when they get into the level of support, to see that they're able to rebound from the level. So in the short term, the market will be very choppy in the sideways downside correction, but the long term is still bullish. Okay, so we have to stay with this one, and you save your money when they get to the level of support, and then they turn around. That's a good chance for you to buy. All right, again. So this is not much I have for you today. So let's see tomorrow we get into the October to see how market will show you anything that they be able to hold up and rebound or continue to the downside. We will let you know on the weekend. Okay, so if you one more thing, if you look at the volatility index, they are still in the upscale here. So it means that if you are short-term trading, you have to be careful with the volatility, and the 10-year treasury note. It also hang tight here, but they have, let's see, they will continue to put it back up, or they will give up. Okay, so it depends on how they want to do here. So if they continue to go higher, the technology talk to get some trouble. All right, so that's a couple of things that I would like to show you, and just take care, and good luck to you, and just stay calm, and then the market will give you another opportunity to buy. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the weekend video. Take care, everyone.